Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Do you know what is the 6.4 Powerstroke life expectancy? Don't worry. In this video, you will get proper information. Well, the life expectancy of the 6.4 Powerstroke depends on a few variables. It can last around 150,000 miles to 200,000 miles on average. This expected mileage of 6.4 Powerstroke is without any significant repair. But unfortunately, you can't just expect satisfying MPG with the 6.4 Powerstroke engine. The reason is pretty simple: the engine wasn't designed for better longevity, and there are always some severe problems. Nonetheless, these facts affect the MPG, and you can get more than 12 to 18 miles per gallon in most cases. That's the reason why most users consider the 6.4 as the engine of poor fuel economy. Now, let's see, how can you get better gas mileage out of my 6.4 Powerstroke? Regular maintenance is one of the easiest things you can do to get better gas mileage from the 6.4 Powerstroke. You can just let the engine perform for a long time without being careful about the issues. Doing tasks like driving the truck in the overdrive gear on the highway, maintaining recommended air pressure, and avoiding extended idling can help you get more mileage. So, if you are not willing to repair your engine for regular intervals and are unsatisfied with the lifespan and MPG, it's better to avoid the truck with a 6.4L Powerstroke engine.